You thought I was playing, huh? Let's get to it.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes.
You guys see, I done bought 1 billion tokens yesterday. I bought it at what, 1300s? I was trying to buy it at the 12s, but crypto.com was tripping earlier that morning until 9:03. You know how many transactions I tried to make to buy that billion? Calling my bank, calling fraud. Like, I'm like, what in the world is going on? Crypto.com was tripping. You understand what I'm saying? I felt like Crypto.com did not want me to get my bag. You know how people be thinking, I'm like, well, damn. All these other exchanges bumping, but like, when I go ahead and try to buy it, I say, I know my card good. I know my card good. You know what I'm coming from? But yeah, I had to go ahead and grab that bag. And shout out to everybody else who's been, grabbing the bag. Listen, man, like, I'm trying to tell you guys like this. You guys thinking I make these videos just for a little pump behind views? No. I don't give a damn about the views. I don't give a damn. You may not watch me. I'm accumulating. Now, if I ain't showing you no proof, no evidence, like I've been doing this a while. But it's just, hey, everybody else funds be tight. But I had to grab it. You understand me? So shout out to that. And then shout out Dogelon Mars. The future is Mars. And check this out. Juancito Gems, he say he found the Elon community. Big opportunity here. Of course it is. It's been a big opportunity. A lot of people sleep on Dogelon Mars, but I ain't playing with them. Shout out to No Problem. This is what he say. Wonder which crypto this is. What crypto is a layer 2 with Web3, multi-planetary currency, health DAO, funding space projects, has a metaverse, is helping with longevity with 3D biomedical printing, and is non-profit organization? As you see here, Elon Musk parody. Stocks are going down, so I'm moving to Mars to avoid the crash. See y'all soon. Dogelon Mars, baby. Shout out to Dogelon BX Superman. He said Crypto Brown because fighting the FUD is one badass job. Salute. We will leave him in the dust. Elon. That's him. That's Elon. All that FUD behind them. You guys seen that purchase. Shout out to Truthful 97. He said he received his t-shirt from Dogelon Mars. He won the free t-shirt gift. Blast off. Pump. Shout out to Shinsanity. And you see our big dog. Salute to my brother from another mother. Silent Alonzo. Hey man, he's coming back. Don't y'all be fooled, but he coming back. And you see what he went and grabbed. He went and grabbed him a big bag. 2 billion tokens of Dogelon Mars. Salute to Silent Alonzo. You know what I'm saying? He said, I inspired him, but shit, we inspire each other, bro. You know what I'm coming from? I'm going to be honest with you. You out here hustling. You out here handling your personal business. You understand me? But you standing on business. That's what counts. He's standing on business. Shout out to Silent Alonzo on his new venture. Oh, he's still a Dogelon Mars warrior, baby. Shout out to ChrisCrypto.com. He says, looks ripe for disruption to me. Breaking, at least 6 trading platforms are down. Citi, Fidelity, E-Trade, Vanguard, TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab. They down. They were down. See, You see, this is what gets me. You understand? BlackRock, Fidelity, Grayscale, and MicroStrategy have not sold their Bitcoin despite the market crash, and a lot of people scared. And a lot of people scared. That's crazy. Usually they would be the first ones who be selling their bags, but they were like, "Nah, Jack, I'm not selling my bags. I'm not cashing out. I'm not gonna cash out my holdings." That's how they feel. So what they are doing, they're using some of their liquidity. Let me go ahead and purchase some more digital assets, baby. Like, why am I gonna sit back and watch these major institutions go sink their big behind teeth into the crypto space and just buy up these digital assets? No, not me. Not me. I'm not going to be the one who's scared to come into this space. I'm not the one who's scared that I've been standing on Dogelon since 2021. I'm not going to be scared because I want financial freedom. I'm not going to be scared because I want generational wealth for my kids, grandkids. No, it's a reason why they ain't sell, and that's why they are buying more positions. They're buying more positions, and a lot of people out here, running with the head cut off. You can't run out here with your head cut off. Look like a chicken out here running. We ain't no Stuart Little, but I'm accumulate my bags. Accumulate, baby. Shout out to Ash Crypto. He says, breaking. The Japanese stock market is now up 11.90% today after it crashed over 12%. Rebound is crazy bullish. U.S. futures are up 1.5%. Bitcoin are back above 55K. We are so effing back. But you know what I'm saying? We got big balls. We got, now, if you're a woman, I don't know how to say that one. But we all have diamond hands. How about that? We got diamond hands. We ain't selling nothing. I mean, I know you guys are going to sell when the price is right. When the price is right. But right now, I'm just going to be honest with you. Like, I just don't see anybody really selling Dogelon Mars at the prices where it's at right now, unless you bought, not even if you bought $30,000 worth a couple months ago. It just don't seem right. Watcher Guru says, Donald Trump says crypto is modern form of currency. If we don't, China will. China will definitely do it. Kapula Management, the fourth largest hedge fund in Europe, with AUM of $30 billion, have bought $500 million in Bitcoin ETFs. This is ultra bullish. While retail is scared, it's a shame how retail investors are scared. Whales are loading their Bitcoin bags and their positions in all digital assets. Not all of them, certain ones, like Dogelon Mars, baby. And as you guys see here, over $1.93 trillion wiped out from the U.S. stock market so far today. Now, with that being said, my input, I'm thinking like the reason why they doing this is because what if they're about to throw in all their money into the crypto space? They may be putting the money into crypto space, all that money. They're probably like, yeah, we're just gonna leave little positions that's in the stock market, but we ain't really there. We'll let the retail investors who've been so hungry to buy Apple at $50 a share. We'll let retail investors who are so happy to buy Microsoft at $10. I'm just giving y'all an example. They done psych you guys out so bad that you guys don't believe in crypto. Y'all still follow the old traditional stock pattern, finance, which is stocks. Y'all go ahead and buy in that. Oh, I'd rather buy in more shares. I get paid dividends. I need the dividends. I understand the dividends can pay some of y'all bills, but it can't give you generational wealth. It's definitely not going to gather you up generational wealth, man. Now, as you guys see here, Jared Isaac, man, let me click on him right quick. Okay. Jared. I believe he's an astronaut. I'm trying to get more thoughts. I remember that name, but he says going to be an ugly day in the markets. Bullish for SpaceX though. Demand for planet-leaving capability should be high. Elon Musk says soon to the moon and then Mars. You guys already know what that means. You already know what that means. Huh? To the moon, baby. As you guys see here, shout out to Nami23. He said this is a must watch. And we're going to tap in.
But the fact that they are not, they always tell me that the problem is high taxes, but they're wrong. Of course, high taxes are extremely high here in the United States. I give you that. The real problem is not the high taxes themselves, but the fact that they are not even really funding the government. Not even those high taxes, higher than a lot of places in the world, not even those taxes are really funding the government. So who's financing the government? Government is financed by treasury bonds. And who buys the treasury bonds? Mostly the Fed. And how does the Fed buy them? By printing money. But what backing does the Fed have for that money being printed? The treasury bonds themselves. So basically, you finance the government by printing money out of thin air. Well, so if the government can print the limited amounts of money out of thin air, why did they collect taxes? The answer is simple, but it's very shocking. The real problem is that you pay high taxes only to uphold the illusion that you are funding the government, which you are not. It's shocking, but it's true. The government is funded by money printing, paper backed with paper, a bubble that will inevitably burst. The situation is even worse than it seems, because if most Americans and the rest of the world were to become aware of this farce, confidence in your currency would be lost, the dollar will fall, and the Western civilization with it. If the next president of the United States doesn't make the necessary policies and structural change, sooner or later that bubble will burst. There's still time. You don't have to make the same mistakes we did in the 60s and the 70s. You can still jump before the water boils. Winning the election isn't enough to solve these problems. They will not simply go away as a consequence of an electoral result. It will take a total re-engineering of the government top to bottom. It will entail making difficult decisions. It will be hard. The system will push back, but you have the right to determine your own fate.
You heard him. Hey, man, why y'all out here still trying to chase the opie dope? Huh. Us retail investors, we're jumping into crypto space. Shout out to Dogelon BX Superman. He says crypto, the Dogelon family, crypto world. If you have cash sitting in your debit card, doing nothing but getting your bank happy, and you have the Coinbase card transfer your funds to USDC, they are now giving 5.20% interest rate on your money. You're welcome. Okay, then. Mr. No Problem, he says, if you're a big bear, 200 billion of inflow seems bullish to me. Yes, sir. As you guys see, Bitcoin sitting at 54,000, Ethereum sitting at 24, Solana sitting at 139, and XRP is sitting at 49 cents. But you guys know who we rocking with. Dogelon sitting at 1271. I wonder if we're sitting at 1271 on crypto.com right now. I gotta see, because if so, I might have to get another billion. I'm gonna have to get another billion, family. Like, a lot of people be with the cap. No. What? A lot of people be with the cap. Because I need me some more Dogelon. I'm taking advantage of the market right damn now. Ain't nobody gonna cite me out. Ain't nobody gonna cite me out in this space. Shout out to Peter Brandt. Let me see. Hold on. Nah, Dogelon's at 132 on crypto.com. Bitcoin decline is similar to the start of the 2016 bull run. Peter Brandt. That's what he's saying. He says, please note that Bitcoin decline since halving is now similar to that of 2015 and 2017 halving bull market cycle. As you guys see right here, 2011, 2013, the bull market cycle, the halving date was 11/28/12. Halving week close, $13. Hurdle for new highs, $15. Weeks to new cycle highs was 8 weeks. Okay, 2015 to 2017, halving date 7/9/16, halving week close 650, subsequent low 474, decline post halving negative 27%. So that's what we're seeing right now. Hurdle for new highs 790. Okay, it was 650 and 7. It took 24 weeks for a new cycle highs. 2018 and 2021, halving date 5/11/20, halving week close 9,600, subsequent low 8,700, down 10% post halving. Hurdle for new highs 13 grand. Weeks to new cycle highs 25 weeks. 2022 to 2025, fold 2024. Halving week close with 64 bands, subsequent low 49,000. Decline post halving negative 26%. Hurdle for new highs 73 grand. 16 to date. Family, we're just gonna be up from here, man. I know this video got a little long, but you know, it was so much information that I had to bring it to you guys. So shout out to everybody who's still hustling. Shout out to everybody who wakes up early in the morning to get the day started. Don't forget to drink some of your coffee to get your mind awoken. Don't forget to read the Bible to keep your head awake. You understand me? Stay focused. Investing is not supposed to be stressing. Let's get to